How to create a checklist in monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a checklist on your board in monday.com. So if you don't know yet, monday.com is a work management tool that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your details, all your data, and others. Okay, so let's get started. First, you can open your monday.com dashboard, and then we're gonna head over our profile here in the top right corner. And then we're gonna go to app marketplace because the checklist we're gonna use is an app. So yeah. And then on the search box, you can search checklist like this, search it, and then you will find a lot of them. And then you can choose whatever you want. You can check by click it, and you can see the preview. You can see the description, the pricing, and others, maybe the reviews, and then maybe the securities. But in case you don't want to add on a board, you can add it on the specific task. Maybe this one, you can click it and click plus icon here, add view, and then click explore more views. And then in this one, you can search again checklist, and then you will find a lot of them. You can choose whatever you want. Let's say I want to choose this one, smart checklist. You can click it, get it now. And then as you can see, free plan available. You can just click install app here. And then it's added to our task. You have 14 days left on your smart checklist trial. Can just click close here, and then you can setting the UI like this, and the text, it's up to you. You can explore it, and maybe if you need more more apps, you can just click again the plus icon and then click explore more views, and then you can search another app, or so that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.